And so what is a concussion? A concussion is a type of traumatic brain injury. So it's an injury that happens to the brain, and it can be by a direct force to the head. So say there's a blow to the head, or you hit your head on the ground or against an object, or it can be an indirect blow to the head. So let's say you think of a whiplash type injury where part of your body is really impacted and your head rocks back and forth. And after that injury, individuals with a concussion, they develop what we call concussive symptoms, or they may have signs. So a symptom can be something like you have a headache, you feel dizzy, you all of a sudden feel nauseated, you feel like you can't think properly. And a sign, something you can actually observe, is that you just can't really walk straight. You feel uncoordinated. You may be vomiting, or in some cases, and importantly, this is the minority of cases, you're actually unconscious. So a concussion doesn't just lead to one symptom or one sign. There are a multitude, because it is an injury to the brain, and it depends on what part of the brain is impacted. And that will determine the type of symptoms or signs that you have.